So the last part of this Lab12 is analyzing the system file, and this we're going to using the SFC in Windows to scan our drive for corrupt or missing system files, replacing an NES file with working version, in which the project can lead to fixing many other problems that may have been happening because of corruption. So we're gonna close this, click on Start, we type in cmd to go into the command prompt. So actually we want to run it at the administrator, so right click, run at administrator, hit yes for it, and then in here right see Windows System 32, we type in SFC space dash scan now, hit enter. If possible, can take up to 5 to 7 minutes to complete, or maybe faster, depend on your computer. I'm gonna skip this one. So it's going to 88%, 90% now, almost finished. Okay, so it say that the Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violation. This means that we have no integrity issue, so our computer is good, so we can close it. So in this lab there still be one more thing. It is using the documentation tool. So in addition to many logs that are recorded by the Windows, such as the event viewer, the performance monitor, and others, there's also the problem step recorder for Windows 7, Windows 8.1. It's called step recorder in 10. To add in troubleshooting, it is a program that records the exact step taken when the problem occurs to help troubleshoot a problem on your device. It can also be useful for remote support, as it allows users to show you exactly what type of error message you received, as well as the event that triggered the error. So to go in that, you have to click on Start and you type in the problem, step recorder. So should be this one, record step to reproduce a problem. Click on that. So this acts like a recorder. So we're gonna start recording. So when we're recording, we're gonna normally go through the process of diagnosing a problem. So you can pause anytime. So you open the Firefox. Okay, and we want to use the go into the website World Wide Web dot net develop group.com. So it takes a little while, but as I noticed here, we have a problem with the network. Let's have the side right here, the yellow side. So from what I predict, it's gonna have a problem to connect to the internet. So add the comment. So we can see right here that we cannot connect to the internet. So just type in unable to connect to website. Okay, then you hit OK and then stop record. Okay, after you stop record, it's gonna pop up the save as, and you want to type in PSR dash test, hit save. Okay, so we're gonna close it. We're gonna see the PSR test right here. Double click on that. Okay, and then it's gonna show you the problem right here. Okay, okay, double click on that, and then gonna pop up this setup Internet Explorer 11. So ask me later. So you can see right here, record problem step. Let's have a recording right here, the step, everything. So that's basically it. Everything record is in here.